දසනකාන්ති චූර්ණය සහිත ලීවර් ආයුෂ් දන්තාලේපය දත්වල ඇති ප්‍රශ්න 10ක් වළකයි.
Diwali is one of the most important festivals celebrated by the Hindu devotees all over the world. Diwali, also called Deepavali, is a festival of lights that celebrates the triumph of light over dark and good over evil and the blessings of victory, freedom and enlightenment. On the night of Diwali, celebration of the moon, but it typically falls between October and November. The main Hindu devotees across the world and in Sri Lanka celebrated Diwali by lighting lamps and joining in their pujas. Lighten up country where hate and anger are eliminated and human reconciliation is established for everyone to live in unity and peace.